The SyAM software management suite lets you easily take control of your computers and the power they consume. You can conserve energy and save money through intelligent power management of your Windows, Macintosh, and Linux systems. You'll control the schedule for shutting down your systems every day, while the software monitors keyboard and mouse activity so a computer won't be shut down while someone is still using it. You can proactively monitor your systems with predictive failure alerting to save costly downtime. You can fix identified issues by remotely managing systems anywhere on the network through a web browser, improving the efficiency of your IT operations. There are 3 simple steps to getting started with the SyAM software management suite. First, you'll do a power audit of the systems on your network to find the areas where you can save money. You can set up a power audit in half an hour, then let it run for 8 days to collect data. The second step is to set up an unattended silent installation of the SyAM system client, configured with the power management settings that will make the system shut down on your schedule. It takes no more than an hour to set up a job that runs on a regular schedule to automatically discover the systems on your network and install and configure the system client. The third step is to take a few minutes and review the reports that show your actual savings based on the hours your systems are powered on and the energy cost that you specify. Let's take a look at how SyAM software is used and some of the many benefits it provides. SyAM Management Utilities, which includes the Power Auditor, is installed on a Windows server. Your staff can do the installation. We're available to assist with the setup using GoToMeeting if you'd like. Once the installation is complete, the first stage is to perform a power audit, which discovers a group of systems on your network and monitors the actual hours that they're left powered on. You'll make a schedule that shows when that group of systems should be powered off every day, and the Power Auditor compares the data it collects with the schedule that you specify. From this data, and using your cost per kilowatt hour, the Power Auditor calculates what we call identified savings. That's how much savings you could realize if your systems were only powered on for the hours specified. It's how much you could save by implementing power management policies. Power Auditor collects the power on and off data from your systems for a minimum of 8 days. This baseline data documents what your systems are doing in the absence of an automated intelligent power management tool. Then, after reviewing the identified savings reports to see how much you can expect to save, you can move into achieved savings mode. You can enforce power management policies by installing the SyAM system client, a small intelligent agent that runs on your Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux computers, and the System Area Manager, which is typically installed on the same Windows server that runs management utilities. The system client is installed silently over the network using the SyAM management utilities. You can set power schedules for your systems so they'll automatically shut down on schedule. The system client will wait to shut down the system if there has been recent keyboard or mouse activity. The activity timer is set to 15 minutes by default, but it can be configured for a longer period. You can also make a list of applications that will postpone or prevent a shutdown. If it's time to power off, but one of the applications you've specified is running, the SyAM software will wait and retry the shutdown later. You can configure the wait period before the shutdown is retried and the number of shutdown attempts. In achieved savings mode, the Power Auditor continues to monitor your system's power status, whether the systems are being shut down by the user or by the SyAM system client. This data is compared with the baseline data that we collected before implementing power management. Now, the Power Auditor can show you how much you're actually saving in cost and in energy by shutting down your computer systems when they don't need to be running. With SyAM Management Utilities, you can also schedule silent installations of third-party applications. For example, if you want to make sure Adobe Reader is installed or upgraded on all your systems, you can upload the installation file to a shared network directory, create a template to specify the installation parameters, and then create a job to deploy Reader on the systems where you want it installed. Microsoft Office is another application that can be installed in the same way. You can view the status of completed jobs to verify that they ran successfully, or to see error messages in case there were problems. Among many other features is the ability to scan Windows systems to find the Microsoft updates that can be applied to them, and then to deploy the patches across your network. System Area Manager provides a real-time dashboard for all your system clients, enabling remote access to your client systems from anywhere across your network using a web browser. The intelligent system clients keep the Area Manager updated automatically on hardware and software configuration changes. The Area Manager also provides email and other alerts when a system client reports a hardware or software issue in a warning or critical state. You'll also be able to stop running processes and start and stop system services. The system client can be installed with or without a local interface, which is a subset of the features available in the System Area Manager. The SyAM Management Suite has one more optional component, the Site Manager. Site Manager communicates with the System Area Manager to combine central management of computers and non-computer assets, along with help desk ticketing that's tied to the asset management system. The self-service ticketing portal lets users report their issues and view outstanding tickets related to them to make your help desk run more efficiently. Site Manager can simplify the management of remote networks by having multiple System Area Managers reporting to a single Site Manager. We've given you a basic introduction to the SyAM Software Management Suite. We can give you the tools to start conserving energy and saving money through simple, intelligent power and systems management. Get started today by contacting SyAM Software at edu@syamsoftware.com.